Okay, welcome back to the next session where the problem is based on what we have discussed in the last session. In continuation with the last session, and the second part is where the data which is given that a 500 kilowatts, 3-phase, 3.3 kilovolt, 58.8 lagging power factor, 4-pole, star connected synchronous motor has the following parameters. You know the XS value and RS value, and it is very important to note that the rated field current is 10 ampere. So we have discussed this first point. Calculate the armature current, and that is power factor at half the rated torque and rated field current. We have discussed that, and the second one is, field current. Field current to get, you find the value of field current to get the unity power factor at rated torque. At rated torque. The second point is field current. Find the value of field current and to get the unity power factor at rated torque. And the first one is over, and the second part is see, this is the second part at unity, and in the first part we have obtained the value of ISS, that is the first part. So this is second part. In the first part we have obtained the value of power factor and the value of armature current. IS is nothing but the armature current as 52.75 at an angle of minus 34 degree ampere, and the power factor as 0.83 lagging. So these are the values we have obtained for the first. And the second, at unity power factor and the rated torque, that is at unity power factor and rated current. So you find the value of field current, and for this at unity power factor and rated current, the value of field current. So under this condition, the value of PM as 3 into VIS. So value of, we obtained the value of VS, some 3.3 into 10 power 3 divided by some value. We obtained the value of divided by root 3. For that, we obtained the value of 1905.2 into IS. So PM as, neglecting the losses, PM value as 500 into 10 power 3. And 10 power 3. Then simplifying this, IS which is equal to 87.48 ampere, and next you obtain the value of that E bar. You know the formula. So E bar as V minus IS into J into XS. By using that, you find the value of E bar as. So this is the value of V, 1905.2 at an angle of 0 degree minus IS into. So this is the value of IS. So 87.48 at an angle of 0 degree at J into J. XS, the value of 15 ohm is given. So 15 ohm at an angle of J into XS. So substituting that, you find the value of E bar as 1905.2 at an angle of minus J 1312.2. So you convert in the form of polar. So we'll get the value of magnitude as 2313.4 volt. And in the second subdivision, find the value of field current. The value of field current, in the problem it is given that for a 10 ampere, so rated field current is given that 10 ampere. In the problem it is given. The problem, it is noted that XS which is equal to 15 ohm, RS equal to 0 ohm, rated field current is 10 ampere. For this 10 ampere, you calculate the value of field current to get the unity power factor at the rated torque. For that, the field current will be IF which is equal to, so I equal to, so this induced EMF, that is 2313.4 divided by 1603. So before point number 1, we have obtained the value of that voltage as 1905.2, and the value of IS as 19.3 ampere, and the value of E, The value of E as 1603. So this is the value of E. So this is the value of power angle 1603 for the value of field current as 2313 divided by 1603. This is the value of E. So 2313.4 and first before subdivision 1 1603 we have obtained these two ratios into 10. So this is the value of field current for the unity factor. So 14.43 ampere. So under this condition at unity power factor and rated current, so the value of field current will be 14.43 ampere. And the third, so here the field current is given at field current of 12.5 ampere at field current. So for this 12.5 ampere, you find the value of torque. So that is question number 3. So torque for unity power factor operation at field current of 12.5 ampere. To obtain the value of torque for unity power factor operation at field current of here the field current, no need to find the value of field current here where the field current is given, that is 12.5 ampere. For this 12.5 ampere, obtain the value of torque for a unity power factor operation. That is subdivision 3 at field current of 12.5 ampere. So E which is equal to 1603. Already we have obtained this 12.5 into 1603 divided by 10. So that is the value of E. That is 200. That is 2003.75 ampere. And we know this equation. So modulus of V, that is V bar minus Is into, so so that is the value of E which is equal to V minus Is into Jxs. So we can write the value of E which is equal to modulus of V minus Is bar into V dash minus Is bar into J into Xs. So substitute the value of V. So value of V which we have obtained earlier. So in the subdivision 1, before subdivision 1, that is V which is equal to some 3.3 into 10 power 3 divided by root 3. So that value as, and Is as at an angle of 0. We know we want to find this Is value. And J, Xs is the value of 15. It is given 15 at angle of 90 degree, which is equal to E as 2003.75. And multiplying this, we will get the 15 and we can write this as J 15 at an angle of, that is J 15 Is which is equal to 2003.75. And simplifying this, obtain the value of Is. Obtain the value of Is. Square root of 2003.75 the whole square minus 1905.2 the whole square divided by 15. Rearranging and simplifying this equation, the value of Is as 41.38 ampere. And here obtain the value of torque. For obtaining the value of torque, we know the value of equation of torque which is equal to, in the derivation we have expressed the value of torque. For finding the value of torque, we want to find the value of this power neglecting losses. So Pm which is equal to, this Pm which is equal to 3 into Vis into cos phi. This is the value of power when neglecting the losses. So Pm which is equal to 3 into V, and we know the value of V as 1905.2 into this Is into cos phi as 41.38. Substituting that, you will get the value of Pm as 236.51 kilowatts. So for finding the value of torque, you have to divide this Pm value with the frequency which is given in the problem, that is 50 pi. So 236510, that is 236.51 into 10 power 3 divided by 50 pi. You will get the value of torque as 1505.7 Newton meter. So this is the value of final value of torque at field current of 12. For this value of 12.5 ampere, the value of torque will be 1505.7 Newton meter. So that's all about this problem. Shubham Kumar Gupta. Yeah, Shubham Kumar Gupta, tell me. Those who have doubt, you ask me, I will clarify your doubt. Sneha. Arvind.
Sir.
ನೇತ್ರ ಹಂಗೆ ಬಂದೆ, ಹಂಗೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. ನೇತ್ರ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನೇತ್ರಗೆ?
ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ದು.
ಯಾರ್ದಪ್ಪ? ನಂದ? ಕೌಶಿಕ್? Kaushik Das?
Yes, sir.
My voice is clear. My voice is clear.
Checking, sir.
Kaushik? I think there is a problem in the connectivity.
Yes.
Arvind, ಇವಾಗ ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ?
ಇವಾಗ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಅದು ಮೇ ಬಿ ಡೇಟಾ ಆಗಿ ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಅದರಿಂದ ನೆಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಪೂರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇನ್ನೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ ಅರವಿಂದ್.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
Your internship presentation will be on tomorrow, right?
Yes sir.
Your internship presentation.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್, ನಾಳೆನೆ.